Right, so what we're going to look at today is editing patients and adding new patients. So if you want to edit a patient, say we wanted to edit Fluffy, let's go and find Fluffy, and we're going to edit Fluffy Adams, so we just choose Fluffy Adams as record, and we've microchipped Fluffy today, so all we want to do now is go in and add Fluffy's ID microchip number, and we've also neutered Fluffy while he's been in today, so we'll just go in and mark him off as neutered. If we don't want to save the changes, we realize we've picked up the wrong patient and we don't want to put these details, we can just cancel changes. If we're happy we've got the right details, we just go in and save changes, and we've now added in the microchip number and the fact that Fluffy has been neutered today. What you might also need to do is go and add a new patient. So Mrs. Adams with Fluffy has brought in a new patient today. If we click on the View Client record here, that will take us to the client notes. And from here we can see all the patients that belong to Mrs. Adams. And we want to add a new patient, so we just click Add New Patient. And we're now going to add in Snowy. And Snowy is white. And Snowy is a cat, and a female cat, and that's what we know about Snowy. So we save, and we now have Snowy Adams as a new patient. So what that showed you was if you were on a patient and you wanted to go and add another patient to that client, how to do that. The other way you can do it is just to go search for the client. So if there's a specific client comes in, we go and we find them, and we've got Mr. Barker here who has brought in a new animal today. So we go into Mr. Barker's record, we go to Patients tab, and we add a new patient, and we just do exactly like we did before, where we just go in and add a new patient, and you can put in whichever details you know at this point to add your new patient.